Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need minimal prep. Make sure you are signed into an administrator account and close other apps. Once ready, open your existing browser and search for Chrome. Select the official download prompt and click the download button. You do this to get the correct installer for your Windows version, which avoids compatibility problems. When the file finishes, don't rush, confirm the download location, and note the installer name so you can run it in the next step without searching. You should run the installer now, navigate to Downloads and double-click the Chrome setup file. If Windows asks, choose Run as administrator so installation can modify system folders. Accept the user account control prompt, because this gives Chrome required permissions. During setup, pick Default Install for simplest results, unless you have a reason to change the folder. Make sure to check the option to import bookmarks and settings. Once installation completes, launch Chrome and sign into your Google account to enable sync of bookmarks, passwords, and extensions. This keeps everything consistent across devices. Make Chrome your default browser in settings so links open correctly, and pin it to the taskbar for quick access. If Chrome fails to open or update stall, first restart the PC. If that does not help, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall and reinstall. Because security software often blocks installers or background updates, then re-enable protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.